How to delete TikTok Business Center account. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Once you are on this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Account. Then tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Here, tap on Delete Account permanently. On this page, select the reason you want to delete your TikTok account from the suggested options. You can also skip this part if you want. Here, you can request to download your TikTok data before deleting your account. If not, then just tick the below option as shown and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again to confirm deletion. Following these steps, you can easily delete TikTok Business Center account.